Good morning and welcome back to my channel. There's a few new people here, so I just wanted to say hey to my new friends. My name is Suli or Suli G. And welcome. I'm happy to have you here. Make sure you check out the description box below. It is Tuesday morning. I just finished kind of my morning routine of reading the Bible, getting into prayer, and then posting whatever I needed to post onto Instagram. So now I'm just kind of relaxing for a little bit, but I got to do laundry. So here's what's to do on the list today. I got to do laundry. I want to record some short form content for Instagram and TikTok. And I am going to dinner with one of my best friends at like 6 o'clock, 6:30. So I have time. It's like 11:30 something right now. So I have enough time, but I want to make sure that I get the laundry done because I just want to, have clothes throughout the week and not have to worry about what I have and what I don't have. And tomorrow I am planning to paint the wall with my uncle. So I definitely need to get paint. I don't know if that's going to be a today thing or a tomorrow morning thing. It depends on what time I finish up with the content and am ready, because I could probably just go to Home Depot real quick, get the stuff and come back. But if I don't finish in time to make it to dinner, I'm gonna just go in the morning. Let me show you what I need to fix. I don't know if you can see these spots here. They're also showing up in my videos, which is really why I'm trying to paint. But I had like a few holes in the wall from, I don't even know what the holes were from because I didn't really have anything hanging, but I had a few holes in the wall. So my uncle put them, like filled the holes in, and then he tried to patch it up with paint. I thought this was the paint that was the same as the wall, but apparently it's not. So we're just gonna cover up this whole area, probably like this corner area too, because there's still patches on here. I am not gonna lie to you, I do not like painting, more so because I don't like moving everything. Like, it stresses me out a little bit to like see everything out of place and moving everything, and then painting and having to clean up, like all of that just feels like the most to me, which is why I don't really do much in this space. Also because I don't know that I don't know how long I'm gonna be here. It's one of those things where like you're staying here but you don't know how long you're gonna be here, so I don't be trying to do too much to my space. Those patches in those walls are very evident, especially with summer approaching and it just being so bright in the apartment. So I at least want to coat the living room white so that it's clean and it looks proper. That's gonna get done tomorrow. My uncle's coming over, so I got to get some paint for that. But my hair is still intact, but I am trying to work out tomorrow morning, so we're gonna see. I bought this headband from Nike. Maybe I should show you. I ordered this headband from Nike, which is downstairs. I actually need to pick it up because it's delivered. I've heard a lot of people with natural hair rave about it, and they say that like, it keeps their baby hairs intact. It's obviously not gonna keep your blowout like super silky, but my hair doesn't last long when there's humidity and it curls up really fast. So I ordered this and I'm gonna put this to the test and see if like I can still have a blowout and work out, because right now I feel like I have to choose between the two, which is pretty whack because, I want to be active. I want to stay, working out and going to my boxing classes, but I don't want to feel like I have to choose between my hair and working out. I was like, let me check in with y'all and make sure that I get this video up by tomorrow. So if you're watching this, I did record this yesterday and I plan to upload it on Wednesday. Let's get into motion because it's almost noon and I got to get going with everything I have to do. I'll get down if it's with you. Tell you that much. They're getting better with the brown skin foundation. Yes to that, yes to that. I got this glowy shadow and I don't even know what I'm wearing. How about that? Cutie girl. Yes, girl. That's me. Go, girl. Oh. All right, let's figure out. You with me? I'm almost ready. Almost ready. Gotta put some clothes on. All right, so here is the makeup look, which I really like. I was trying to go for like a kind of glowy type of look, hence the little highlight on the nose and the shimmer on the eyes. Doing a whole lot for, well, it's for dinner. Let me not say for no reason, for dinner. But yeah, I don't even know what I'm wearing. So hopefully I try to do something that was pretty neutral so I can pair it with pretty much anything. So let's see what we find. Don't mind my clothes drying in the back, but we're going with this blush bodysuit because I think it's a beautiful color. Oh, sorry, I gotta fix my bra. And this body cream is everything. It smells so freaking good. I keep saying I'm gonna save it for summer, but it just smells so good. And I think I'm gonna wear blue denim with my black booties and then just a trench coat and maybe a scarf. I don't know about a scarf at 60 degrees. Oh my God, this smells so good. What in the world? I'm telling you, this lotion is it. All they needed to do was add a little shimmer to it. But I get it, everybody doesn't like shimmer. All right, put it on my neck so that this Kayali perfume, which also happens to be the same color of my shirt. Oh my God, you can't see my head. Okay. It's a little on the looser side, but I might like that. I have a belt that I would want to wear with this. I'm gonna just go like this. I'm about to leave the house. I have on this blush bodysuit with these Zara flare jeans. I wouldn't call them flare, I would say they're boot cut. And then this trench coat. I have tights on under my pants because I always wear tights under my pants. Unless it's summertime, I'm always wearing tights under my pants. So I feel like I should be fine and I shouldn't be cold because I'm a little warm right now. But best believe if it's too cold, I'm coming back upstairs and getting a scarf or something. But I think I should be fine. I should be fine, and the place isn't too far. So I'm just gonna head out like this. Good morning. It is 9:23 a.m. and as you saw, no paint was purchased yesterday, but dinner was so good. So today, my uncle is up early and he texted me, so I'm gonna head to Home Depot to pick up the paint so we can get on with this wall, which is great. I'm excited to get this out the way. I already moved the couch and put the chairs up so that when we come, we could just throw things on the floor and get started. I'm about to head out now, hoping to avoid the rush hour traffic on the train since it is 9, but we shall see. Hey Siri, I want to know how windy it is. Hey Siri.
Good morning, Sully. How can I help?
Is it windy outside?
No, I don't think it's all that windy.
Bet.
About 4 miles per hour.
Bet.
It's provided by the Weather Channel.
All right, let's get moving and grooving. so happy. It was such a simple task, but we ended up also trimming, doing some paint trimming around some of the doors, and my uncle painted the doors. So it wasn't that bad. It was just a matter of moving things around and then cleaning up after, which is a lot. But as you can see, the wall is super clean now, which was a simple task, but it was like very important to me because those spots kept showing up in the videos and it just, you know, it didn't look good. So I am so happy that that is done. And then I literally quickly went and just took a shower because I'm the type of person that when I have a whole bunch of dust on me, it irritates my skin. So I have to like immediately go shower because if not, my skin will be all irritated. And yeah, I'm about to finish this vlog out. I have to edit a few more clips and then I'm gonna upload it tonight. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Don't leave me alone with my thoughts. Talk to me in the comments below. Let me know your thoughts. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video on Sunday. So it's a new month at the beginning of next week, literally on Monday. So I'll probably do a monthly reset video. So stay tuned. Come back, check in with me on Sunday for that. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you then. Later.